Hi! This video demonstrates the final steps to get the Playground app running on macOS. For macOS and iOS we still need to create an Xcode project responsible for building the Rust library. The project is merged as a sub-project into the main project. After configuring some settings in Xcode, we generate the Dart interface using the Flutter Rust bridge and make some adjustments to some classes. In the end, we can launch the desktop app. The tutorial includes all steps I show in the video. First, we install Cargo Xcode and use it to create a new Xcode project for the Rust library. Make sure to be in the Rust directory. Look on the left side, that's where the Rust Xcode project is being created. Open up the project and select the root item Rust at the left pane on top. Select the target Rust CDY-lib and the Build Settings tab. Here, search for Dynamic Library Install Namebase and change the value into target build dir. Now we open the Flutter Xcode project and drag the new Rust Xcode project into it. When building the main project later on, the Rust sub-project will be executed first. This means that before building the app, the library will be built initially. For macOS, select the dynamic Rust library in the build phase settings, under target dependency and link binary with libraries. In the build settings, you now need to enter the Objective-C bridging header. It's a file that we'll generate later with a Flutter Bridge code generator. In the General tab, set the minimum macOS version that the app should support. I'm choosing version 13.1 here. It's time to generate the code and the C header file. Copy the code and execute it. The file will become visible in the left pane. There are two more steps to complete. In the app.delegate Swift file, you need to insert the dummy method that enforces the bundling. Additionally, you must add a security setting that allows calls to the APIs of the IOTA nodes. I will now launch the app with Flutter Run and test all the examples. In the end, I want to demonstrate that a wallet database and a stronghold snapshot file have indeed been created. Look here. And this is where the settings are stored. See you in the next video where I will finalize the iOS part.